created a credit card campaign where every customer receives communication that feels personally written across WhatsApp and email without any manual effort. This campaign is built inside Salesforce, powered by Agentforce and Prompt Builder to deliver intelligent, personalized engagement at scale. Customer data is managed in the contact object, with campaign participation handled through campaign members. A simple checkbox. Send WhatsApp message acts as the trigger for personalized communication. Once enabled, Agentforce generates a tailored WhatsApp message using customer details and campaign context. Prompt Builder creates hyper-relevant content using flexible templates, while Flow automatically saves the generated message and sends it, making the entire process seamless and scalable. The result is a personalized WhatsApp message delivered instantly to the customer at exactly the right moment. We extended the same intelligence to email within the same credit card campaign. Festival data stored in a custom object adds contextual relevance to every message. Agentforce generates personalized email content, Flow automatically saves it, and the email is triggered instantly, resulting in a tailored message delivered straight to the customer's inbox. With Agentforce, we deliver consistent, AI-driven personalization across WhatsApp and email, turning campaigns into meaningful customer experiences.